There is a key hearing tomorrow in the case against former Grand Rapids police officer Christopher Schurr. He shot and killed Patrick Lyoya during a traffic stop last April. Tomorrow, his attorney will ask a judge to throw out a lower court's decision to send the case to trial. 13 on your side's Charlie Tinker spoke with a defense attorney about what we can expect to happen.
We've heard Schurr's attorney consistently maintain state law allowed the former officer to use that deadly force, which of course forms part of the basis for this argument against sending the case to trial. Now, Schurr's lawyer filed what's known as a motion to quash, which is essentially to stop the case from proceeding up to circuit court. I asked criminal defense attorney Sarissa Montag for insights into that process, which is pretty common, by the way. The court would review the lower court's decision, in this case, the district court's findings, and come out, certainly the defense's hope, with a different result. She explained that this way.
Each criminal charge has elements. There has to be evidence found on each element. And in this case, it was found that there was probable cause on each element of the offense, and therefore it was bound over to circuit. Now what the defense is doing is asking the circuit court to review the district court's finding.
Now, there are several approaches to examining this decision by the lower court. An abuse of discretion standard for one, which is difficult to prove, and what's called a de novo review, where the higher court essentially reviews the case as if the previous decision had never been made.
She's going to read them carefully. They were well-written pleadings, both of them, and then listen to argument and make the decision about which standard applies, and then apply whichever one it is to the facts as she sees them.
Now, whatever the end result here, she did make it clear the decision could still be appealed. So even if the motion is denied, we could still see another appeal before we get into the actual trial itself. We will, of course, be following all of the developments to emerge from tomorrow's hearing very closely, and we'll bring you the very latest both on air and online. Charlie Tinker, 13 on your side.